Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add template on Capcut. First option is you can open your Capcut, go to home page, and then on the lower part of your screen you'll see template. Tap on that, and then in here you'll see different template made by creators, so you can just tap any of this. So for example, I want to choose this template in here. So what you need to do is on the lower right part of your screen you'll see use template, so tap on that, and then you will select the clips that you would like to add. It will actually show you how many clips you can add. In here you'll see 22 clips can be added, and also it will show in here for how many seconds or for how long will the video show or the photo show on this template. Once you're done adding those, you can tap on preview and then save your video that you have edited in Capcut. Second option is we can close this here, and then mostly people are getting their templates from TikTok. So open your TikTok, and then on the right part of your screen tap on the search button and then search Capcut. Then in here it will show you different videos. The video you need to open should have this one in here. You'll see Capcut try this template. It's located on the lower left part of your screen, the Capcut try this template. You can tap on try this template and then tap use template in Capcut. Tap use template. Then again you'll have an option to select the clips or photos or videos that you would like to add, and it will show you how many clips and for how long they will be shown on this video. Again, once done, tap on preview and then export the video that you have edited. And that's how to add template on Capcut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.